Hi everyone, in front of me I have the Xiaomi 12 Pro smartphone, and in this video I would like to share the top 3 apps that I would highly recommend on downloading to your device. So let's go ahead and start. The first app is called Photomath. It's basically an app that solves math problems, math equations, and etc. So let's go ahead and open it real quick. As you can see, in order to get something solved, you gotta capture it. So I have this very simple quadratic equation in front of me. So let me just go ahead and show you how this works. You have this red button over here, which you will need to press once you capture the equation. So I'll press the button, and the app has successfully managed to solve this math problem. As you can see, it identified that it's a quadratic equation. It also provided us with some different routes that we can go in order to solve it. It also drew us the graph of this equation. We can just see the solving steps for this problem, for this particular problem, and the app also explains the steps. So that was it for the Photomath application. Let's go ahead and move on. Let me show you one thing in prior of showing the next step. So in the display settings of this device, or should I say in always on display and lock screen settings, there is the sleep section, which allows us to choose the maximum value of 10 minutes. And what if we want to set it to never, for example, so the screen will not turn off automatically at all. In order to do that, we will need to gain help from the third-party app, which is called Caffeine. In here, once opened, just choose the first available option called timeout and set its value to infinite. And after that, your screen will not turn off automatically, basically never, once the app is opened, of course. And the last tab that I wanted to show in this video is called WTMP, which stands for Who Touched My Phone, and it takes the photo once your phone is being touched or somebody is trying to unlock it, or if somebody actually unlocks your phone. So let's go ahead and open it. Here there is the small introduction, which lets us know how this app works and what this app is needed for. In order to enable it, just press on this power button. The first time you'll open it, it will ask you to give it the permission to access the camera. So you'll go ahead and do that. As you can see, we have enabled it. All you gotta do now is just wait until this OK button becomes active and tap on it. Okay, now we can get back to the app, and it has been turned on since, as we can see, this 2 white lines appeared and the power button became green. So let me show you what it does. So I'll lock the phone, then go to the home screen. And here we have the new adding to the history of device unlocking. And if you'll see, it took the picture from the selfie camera, from the frontal camera of the device. So as you can see, just imperceptibly takes photos once the phone is being unlocked or once somebody is trying to unlock the phone. So it's really good app to know whether somebody is trying to gain an unauthorized access to your phone, to your device. So here it is. Alright, that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.